Hello there my lovelies. So today I'm doing a Hydroflow video. So Hydroflow is an eco-resin, it's water-based, you don't need to wear any PPE with it, unless you're really using colourants, then I think it's advisable to wear gloves. Today I'm doing a combination. This glitter is from Yvonne at Resin Supplies Den, isn't it stunning? I just put a little bit of that in there. And this is from Hemway. So if you prefer to shop local and shop small, go and see Yvonne at Resin Supplies Den. It's a Facebook group that I'm a member of. Hugely supportive, lovely people. If you want to get, if you want to have a look at the Hemway site, so it's hemway.com, and use the code LSR at the checkout, you get a whopping 15% off. And this is the glitter that I'm using here, which is the gold and iridescent mix. So I really hope it shows up because it's looking beautiful in the mould right now. So I'm just going to go and mix up my Hydroflow, which is from Elichem. Okay, I'm back. I'm using these pigments from Jade at Resin Supplies Den. So I put 7 drops of this and about 5 drops of this, of the yellow, and then I put in a few drops of this, so this is Gamma Green, just to try and get the colour that I want. So I mixed it all up in that, only a tiny amount, and then here comes the magic bit. So I'm going to just sprinkle, some drops in there. Don't need much, very concentrated, trying to get as much of that as I can from there. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Give it a stir. Oh, that looks fantastic, doesn't it? Right, and here we go. So in the end I did oh my gosh, doesn't that look amazing? I did 150 of the activator, so the liquid, and I did 375 of the powder. So let's hope that all works well. Oh, these are going to be stunning. Can't stop making these. Aren't they gorgeous? Made a little bit too much, I think. Oh no, that's not full. Right, I just really hope that it shows on the bottom. Look at that precision work. I'm getting better at this. It's so much fun, honestly. I cannot tell you. Just love it. Oh, I've got all that left. I've got to find another mould to put it into. So luckily I have this one. So let's just move this over a little bit. Chuck a little bit of this in. Oh, nuts. Oh dear. Told you I'm a very messy crafter. I didn't want that many in there. Nuts. Oh, hazelnuts, cadbury's make them and they cover them in chocolates. Anybody remember that advert? If you do, comment down below, and then I know that you've watched most of this video. I do love that game, I'm telling you. Right, everybody looking forward to Christmas? I'm just putting a little bit of this. This is from Yvonne. And then let's just put in, now where did I put it? There we go. I'm just going to put one more blob of this in. Okay, about 4 more blobs of this in. There we go. To add a little dimension. There we go. So that's like a cooler, bluer tone. And I've still got more left over. So, right, I better find another mould, hadn't I? Okay, I've got this one. Let's hope that this one, that I've got enough for this one. It's quite flat, so let's just hope for the best. And here we go. No, don't think I'm going to have enough. Sorry, I know you can't see, but let's just try and get as much as possible out of here. Problem is, as you scrape it, you mix it more, so the colours mix, which is really not the effect that I was looking for. But hey, never mind. Right, I'm going to have to get a scrapey thing, I think. Let's get a scrapey thing, and that is the technical term. Scrapey thing. Right, let's get all of this out, or as much as possible. Right, it's not quite full enough, which is really annoying. I might have to make up a tiny bit more just to finish that off. Shall I make a bit more up? Hey guys, what do you reckon? I'm going to go over though, I think. A little bit difficult to judge with these. I haven't quite got my eye in. But I am definitely getting better at judging. Right, I might just about have enough. I do prefer it to look quite full though, these moulds. I'm quite liking these effects, aren't you? Very pretty. Alrighty. I think that's everything. Do love a bit of a swirl, and also hopefully it gets it all into the mould. There we go. So now time for a little bit of a tap and a shimmy and a shake, as Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner very often says. I am loving these though, aren't you? So I think I could nick a little bit of that and shove it into there, couldn't I? What do you think? I think I could. And then I don't need to make up any more, which I think is great. Yeah, I think that works okay. Quite looking forward to seeing. Do you know what? I know I've got 2 of these, but can I find the other one? Can I linking? Anyway, there we go. Right, that is all done. Let me take you down for a little look. Beautiful, hey? Just really hope that that glitter stays in place. That's quite a blank one for some reason. Right, okay, I will be back to demould. Okay, just quickly skipping to voiceover and desperately hoping that the workmen don't drill while I'm trying to do this. They're in my house at the moment. So just to explain, I couldn't wait to demould these, so apologies for the light. And with bigger pieces, it's better to put them on the front and then peel it off from the back. Otherwise, you risk bits falling off, particularly when you first demould Hydroflow. And I also wanted to demonstrate as well that the glitter actually sticks to it, which is amazing, so you don't need to worry. And big huge thanks to Elichem. Oh, I nearly did it. Huge thanks to Elichem for the discount code, very much appreciated. Oh no. Really is amazing, and this feels quite heavy. It feels like ceramic, cold to the touch, so dead easy and so quick. Honestly, really super quick. These start to go off within, I'd say, about an hour. I mean, I probably wouldn't demould for 2, but I mean, look at them. Amazing, hey? So easy as well. Really quick. No titting around. Anyway, just thought I'd show you.